What is Awkward Styles? Now, Awkward Styles is a print-on-demand service provider that was established in the year 2020. It's a fairly new print-on-demand service provider in the game with an annual revenue of less than 50 million US dollars. It receives 500,000 plus monthly visitors. These are people who come there to create, come there to work with Awkward Style. Now, one of the best things about Awkward Style is that it has low fees. I'm talking about no monthly fees. If you want to start on this platform, you can actually start with no fees. It charges per product once someone has ordered. The best thing, I think they have a premium offering where they have a premium plan where once you get the premium plan, you get a certain percentage of the product, which in turn aids you to increase your revenue share in this business. At the end of the day, it's all about markups and getting your revenue and numbers up high. Another thing, amazing thing about Awkward Style is the high markups. It is the platform that allows you to change your pricing. So any platform that allows you to change your pricing allows you and gives you the power to decide how much money you can make you natively. So the markups are high. You can mark it up, especially with products like jewelry. It is, and that is why I love Awkward Styles, and that is why it's actually on my list of print-on-demand providers you should check out. And what is Awkward Styles? That's why we're talking about it today. I'm super excited. They have high markups, especially as I said with jewelry. So if you're into jewelry, if you want to start a jewelry business, if you want to start a candle business, Awkward Styles is a platform you really need to go check it out. Check it out. I've actually left a pinned comment below with a link to Awkward Styles. Check it out. Another thing you need to note about Awkward Style is that they have different products. In terms of product range, they have different products, but their main focus is apparel, accessories. That's what they're really focusing on. But you can find gems, as I said, like jewelry and candles. These are new, different products that not everyone is doing, because the t-shirts are good, the mugs are good, but the real money is made in unique products like candles and products like jewelry. These are products that people really do not know they need until they see them. They're like, wow, I need it. And buy. Talking about the target audience for Awkward Style, they're looking for indie artists. These are independent artists, individual artists, small businesses, people are still just starting out, people who do not have the money, a big amount of money for capital to start a huge store and run a huge business. So they give you these platforms to start for free. You create designs, link this platform with other platforms like Etsy, link it to Amazon, link it with Shopify, and then you can sell on Instagram, sell on TikTok Shop, sell on YouTube, sell on X. These are different things you can do with Awkward Style. Yeah, sell the jewelry on Instagram, on YouTube. You can sell jewelry, I repeat, on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, using Awkward Styles through Shopify. You can do that. You can do that right now. The cost would be Shopify, of course, we've talked about it. And later on in previous videos about the cost implication, the difference between the active and the passive print-on-demand. So if you haven't watched that video, please make sure you watch the video. I'm talking about breaking down these different platforms, active and passive. Let's talk about the pros about Awkward Style. Number one, of course, unique and trendy products. I'm talking about candles. I'm talking about jewelry. I'll keep on talking about jewelry when it comes to Awkward Styles. Amazing trending products that people love, and they really follow the pop culture. So these are people, they are young. They're, I said, a very young company, 2020. This is a company that really follows pop culture and the trends on social media and TikTok. They introduce stuff that you would want to sell, necklaces, bracelets. They're all there. You can get this stuff. Amazing trending stuff. Another thing, the ease of use of this platform, it is so easy, and that's the beauty about all this print-on-demand platforms. All of them, they're so easy to use. It can't even take you. It wouldn't take you more than 30 minutes to fully understand how the platform works. It's so easy, and I think it's good for niche markets. Something like candles. Candles are for everyone. Something like jewelry. Something like bracelets. They're not for everyone. Something like message cut jewelry. Not for everyone. So they're really perfect for niche markets, really niche markets. So you have an intimate community, if you have an intimate group of people, if you have a church group, if you have an office group, and I don't know, different things that people you can target with different products that you can sell to. Awkward Style has your back. I kid you not. But too much. I've been licking too much. Good things about licking the ice cream. It's like licking ice cream. Licking too much. I don't want to say how we say it in Kenya, but I'm licking too much. Awkward styleness. Awkward. What am I saying? I'm awkwardly licking this style. Let's talk about the cons when it comes to awkward styles, because I'm giving it too much props. But awkward style also has its own challenge. Number one, they have a smaller product range. So yes, they do have products, though they can't really compete with big platforms like Printful and Printify. Those platforms are huge, and that's why even the monthly visitors, this one's are less. This one, Awkward Style has 500,000 visitors. The other ones have millions, talking about 4 million, 5 million, and above. So Awkward Style is fairly small. So they have a smaller range of products. Another thing, it's a newer company with less market penetration, less people know it. So chances are that this might also be the first time that you're hearing about this company. Very small company, but it's growing. It's blowing up. And I think it being small, it has limited integration. So you find that it really can't integrate with a lot of huge platforms the way Printify and Printform. These are the huge platforms that actually link up and connect up. So yeah, those are the challenges of Awkward Style. But it is an amazing platform. You should check it out, especially if you're into candles, if you're into aesthetics. Let me just say that. If you love aesthetics, this is a platform that will not let you down. And if you were new into print on demand, if you just are just getting your footing, you just found yourself here and you're wondering what to do, check this out. This link right now, this QR code leads you to my live class right now, introducing you to print on demand. I actually teach you step by step what print on demand is. I open up a shop as you're watching over my shoulder as I step by step open up and guide you through this industry. So the first place I'd advise you to start. Awkward Style is an amazing platform, but it is not for beginners. If you're 100% beginner, check it out. If you're not beginner, you know how you do. Just subscribe, like, comment. You know how you do. Thank you very much for joining today's class. My good name is XT and your favorite print on demand coach. And thank you very much for the privilege of your time. Please tell me what you think in the comment section below. What do you think about Awkward Style? What do you think about all this? Are you loving the lessons? Please do me a favor. Please comment or like. That's how I know that this lesson that I'm making actually makes sense to you. If you do not comment, if you don't like, I will not know. So please work with me. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.